Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5 Rosie. As you can see, this is the Redmi 5. Let's check the specification. Device name Pixel 4 XL. This is the ported ROM from this device. Basically this is the GSI ROM which is ported for Redmi 5, and here you can see model number, and you will get the Android version S in this ROM. As you can see, this is based on the Android version S, as you can see, but it is Android 11. Only the upper version is changed, only there is change in the text, as you can see. Else if you click on this, you will get the Android version 11, only 11 in this ROM. There is no Android 12 in this ROM, as you can see, and kernel 12 plus kernel is installed, and 5 my security patch is installed in this ROM. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So welcome back to Tech Custom. If you don't love your device, you can surely install this ROM. If you don't love your device. If you love your device, you should not install this ROM. So let's check the features and the bugs of this ROM. There are many bugs in this ROM. First, let me show you that the Wi-Fi is working perfectly fine. As you can see, you can easily connect. Let me show you. So here you can see it will take few seconds to connect. As you can see, connected. Device is working perfectly. Wi-Fi is working perfectly fine, and the Geo is working. Geo Volt is not working in this ROM, but Volt call is working, but not coming on this device. Now let's check the hotspot. Wi-Fi hotspot is not working perfectly fine. It does not work. As you can see, it will work for a few seconds, then it will automatically turn off. So it is not working, as you can see. So it is not working, and the charging light is working perfectly fine. If you reboot your device, it will not work. Then you have to reinstall, replug your charging cable to use. And this ROM is not detecting in PC. As you can see, I have connected my device cable to my PC. It is not working, as you can see. So now let's check the battery. Here is the charging very slowly. Charging speed of the battery is very poor. Not very poor. Charging speed of the battery performance is not good. It does not charge your device very quickly. It takes a lot of time to charge your device, and sound is not working in this device. As you can see, it gets stuck now. As you can see, it is not working, and your device also reboots many times. Your device will reboot again and again, and the AnTuTu benchmark is also not working in this device. So if you want to install this ROM, and if you want to get the sound and the vibration, you have to simply replace the files from the recovery. All the files link will be in the description. Replacing the file is very easy, so don't worry. Screen is not locking, as you can see. It is not working. As you can see, it again reboots for at least 10-12 times. My device is rebooted after installing this ROM, so it is not working. So I don't recommend this ROM for daily usage. And the Bluetooth is also not working in this ROM, and the flash is working. Sometimes the display turns off, or your device will not turn off. As you can see, Android system, there is an internal problem with your device. Android beta program, as you can see. This ROM is not good for your device health also. So now let's check the security, whether the fingerprint is working or not. So here you can see there is no fingerprint in this device. This ROM is very useless. As you can see, keep stopping. This ROM is really useless, so don't install this ROM. My suggestion is that you should install Android 10 custom ROM only. Android 10 and Android 11. Let's check the safety net, whether it is fast or not. And the battery performance, and the device is also heating. So normal usage, device is also heating. As you can see, safety net is not passed in this ROM, and the Play Store is not certified. Let me show you. I will not touch the PUBG. As you can see, device is not certified. Sorry, Call of Duty. So else there is no camera installed in this ROM. So if you want to install, you can check it according to your user. I personally don't recommend this ROM. So if you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.